Hey everyone, let me quickly show you how DealMiner saves you money while booking hotels without changing how you search. Let's search for hotels just like you normally would. I'm on the Expedia website. I'll type Las Vegas into the search bar. When the results appear, DealMiner automatically shows prices from other booking sites right next to each hotel. So while you scroll, you can instantly spot if there's a better price elsewhere. Here's Fontainebleau, Las Vegas, $256 on Expedia, but DealMiner found it for just $195 on another site. Same hotel, same stay, more money in your pocket. Now, let's check Hotwire. They offer big discounts, but they don't tell you which hotel you're booking until after you pay. I'll search Las Vegas again. With DealMiner, you see the hotel name right away. Hotwire hidden deal? Not so hidden anymore. DealMiner reveals it's actually Harrah's Las Vegas Hotel and Casino. Here's another deal. Hotwire shows $29, but DealMiner reveals it's Treasure Island, and Agoda has it for $26. Sometimes DealMiner shows that all other websites are more expensive, but now you know it's Holiday Inn for $65 a night, while other sites start at $123. So you book smart, and you don't end up with a surprise hotel next to a construction site. Everyone always says booking directly with the hotel gets you the best price, but is that really true? Let's find out. I'm on Hilton's website. Let's check if DealMiner can find a better price. Here it is. Hilton shows $224 a night, but DealMiner finds the same room for $177. Sure, hotels promise a price match, but that usually means sending 10 emails and hoping they approve it. With DealMiner, you save right away. No emails, no waiting, just a better deal. DealMiner works everywhere, on major booking sites and hotel chains. Just search like you always do and let DealMiner uncover hidden savings. Install it today and stop overpaying for hotels.